All right, let's dive into coding for absolute beginners, starting right from square one.
It might seem like magic, but really, it's just a set of instructions.
We're going to look at Python, which is awesome because it's super beginner friendly.
Python's a powerhouse. It's used for websites, software, even complex math.
The best part? It's designed to be super readable, kind of like English. So your first task is a classic. You just tell the computer to say hello.
Yup, that's it. This one line tells the computer to display "Hello World." Just like any language, code has rules. Think of it like grammar, called syntax. And in Python, spacing is a huge deal. It's not for looks, it's an instruction. See how these lines are indented? That's Python's syntax in action, grouping them together.
Okay, before we do anything with information, we need a place to put it.
We've made little labeled boxes, variables, to hold data like a name, age, or salary.
So what kind of stuff can you actually put inside these boxes? Let's see.
First up, you can store text. In coding, we call this a string.
You can also store numbers, either whole numbers called integers or decimals called floats. And you can even store a whole collection of items, like a list, in one box. But how do we make programs smart enough to make decisions on their own? Well, you use something called conditional statements. Think of it like a fork in the road. The if statement is key. It's basically telling the computer, if this is true, do that. And what about repeating tasks over and over? For that, we use loops. A loop just checks a condition and repeats an action until it's told to stop. So instead of adding 10 numbers by hand, this simple loop does all the work.
So what happens when you start combining these simple ideas? Let's take a look.
See? Just a few simple rules can create some really cool and complex results. You've just learned the core logic behind almost every app. So what will you build?